Government Degree College, Utnur, Adilabad. My name is J. Vijay, Contract Faculty, Lecturer in Computer Science and Applications. BSc final year, 5th sem, Visual Basic. So, today discussions data types in Visual Basic. Data types in Visual Basic, there are number 1, Boolean data types. A Boolean data types bitwise size of bits and bytes. A Boolean data types. The following Visual Basic data types support common language written types. Their normal storage allocations and their value of range in these data types. Visual Basic data types first. Visual Basic data type first, Boolean. Data range value of 2 depend on this implementing platform of Boolean operators is the value of range true or false. Boolean data types then give the two methods are true or false. Value of range is true or false. This is the given of data value. Length of data storage in value of Boolean value true or false. Then integer value. It's a integer value in take integer value common language written types structures integer 64 integer. It's a normal storage allocate of 8 bytes. In data storage 8 bytes. Normal storage of taken integer value 4 bytes, 32 in 4 bytes. Say 4 bytes in length of data storage in integer value. Okay, next one, the integer it's a take only for the numbers, then value of given numbers, the value of given it's a numbers, or through the length of side minus values or plus values, it taken be value of minus or plus values. Then integer and long integer it's a 64 integer long integer. 60 integer is a 64 bits and normal storage allocate value it's a 8 bytes. 8 byte normal storage value it's a 8 bytes. Normal storage value it's a 8 bytes. It's long integer say 8 bytes. And single data types. A single data types then take value normal storage data types is a 4 bytes or minus value or plus value in a single value of taken value. The process of floating points also then take value of single bytes in storage. Floating points also they will be taken or negative value and this or through the positive value. This is the single value or taken by or negative value or positive value. It's a single process of floating value then throw the negative value for the value of given points values or floating values, throw the given of positive value to say points value plus values or points values for the positive value. It's a single data types in processing floating point values. It's a double double processing floating point floating point. Common length return types structures is a double. Normal storage allocate is a 8 bytes. 8 byte. This is called also it's a floating points in 8 byte storage of device. Through the this called also floating points also uh, negative value or positive value or minus value or plus value. This is called also double processing floating point. This is minus value, negative value and positive value. It can be taken double processing floating points. This is the one data types. And currency 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 value of given take 8 bytes data, then length of storage in this allocated in natural storage in allocation, normal storage allocations. The common language returns types structures in currency, then value of given it's a storage device in 8 bytes. 8 bytes. And next one, date and time. Date and time, also date and times, it's a taken common language written types structures, then common language written structures, common language written structures, then date and times, and normal storage allocate in 8 bytes. And given the date and times or mentions is a particular date, particular times and minutes and seconds and hours, then will be take in time also, date and times also they will be through then storage. And device of storage, normal storage allocate in 8 bytes. This is the data date and times. So and next one is a object. Next one is a object. Object, a common language written common language written types structures, then it's a object. Objects it's a class. Objects it's a class. Then normal storage allocate 4 bytes on 32 bits platform, 8 bytes on 16 bytes, it's a platform. 4 bytes on 32 bits a platform, 8 bytes on 64 bits, it's a platform. Platform, any types can be stored in a variable of types of object class. Then object class 4 bytes also 8 bytes. And take the 4 bytes is 32 bits platform, 8 bytes is 64 bytes is a platform. Then this is the object class. Object class. And next one, string. A string, the common language written types structures, common language written structures, a string class. A string class or normal storage allocated depend on implementation platform. 0 to approximately to 2 billions Unicode characters. 2 billions Unicode characters. It's a in string class variable or string class variable length storage is 0 to approximately 2 billions Unicode characters. This is the string class length of, then will be take approximately then 2 billions Unicode characters. So this is the string variable length or string class. And so decimal data types, common language written types, structures in common decimal, and normal storage allocate in 60 bytes through the plus or minus, then take value of decimal points in 0 through the with the 28 place of the right of a decimal smallest non zero numbers is a plus obliques minus. So this is called as a decimal 60 bytes length of size, then value of storage in decimal points. And next one character. Single character, it's a 2 bytes. 0 through 0 to 65,536 unsigned in character 2 bytes. In this storage value, data length of size storage value. Then character, a single character. Short integer 60 bytes, it's a 2 bytes minus 32.768 to 32.767. It's a unsigned in short integer 6 bytes to 60 bytes and 2 bytes, 60 bits and 2 bytes. Then take 60 bytes and allocates of normal storage allocation 2 bytes. Integer, short integer is a common language written types as structures. It's a integer, it's a 6 bit. Then will be take this length of size. So in normal storage allocate in this value of range data in this data types, then take values in the Visual Basic data types. Variant the 18 bit, it's a length of size, then take storage in value of data range, then 80 bits. So this is the data types, values, length of size in take variable. A variable is a allocation in the memory to store informations. The variable value is a allocation in the memory to store information. So this variable value then will be take storage and value of length of data in storage. So variable use a variable to store information in the computer memory to the programs are running. Three components defined a variable. There are three components and defined a variable. Number one, the variable's name. Allocate in the memory. Number two, types of information begin stored. The actual informations itself. There are three types: variable name, and types of informations begin storage, and actually informations itself. There are three types. Suppose you are given the assignment, go all the programs, then take must and should in variable name particular. This is the variable. A variable must have a name for a name for a name for to be able a assign value to in these statements like the following. Say give the value of example this. So then example dim x as integer. It's integer. Then take statements like to follow this example. This example dim is or dimension statements used for a dimension or declare a variable. Declare a variable. A variable declare or letters in this or character or text or string. This program declare a variable. It is on a Visual Basic a particular location, memory location to will be used to store a variable informations. We use to variable informations. Then x as a variable, particular variable, it's a storage variable. X, it's a dimension, x as integer. So this is a particular location, it's x value, x variable. Then store in this x variable value, store in this integer value. It's a store x, particular value x. Dim, you can write down dimensions. It's a write down dim, dim dimensions. A statement till Visual Basic the types of informations you plan to store. In case the integer number, that informations to help determine to particular memory store a set of for this value, then store in this particular variable. So this is the x variable value, then data store in this values. So characters also must start with the letters a numbers or the other characters. So the remaining of this name can contains a letter, comma, numbers, contains of letters or numbers. So letters, it's a string characters, A to Z, or small letters or big letters, it's a characters. And a character space pre a character space is a functioning a character, it's a take character variable, character value, it's a name, it's a address or cities, it's a character of given values. Name must be then variable, it's a scope of for context in the variable defined, as well as a short shortcut can given, it's a char, it's a varchar, it's a char shortcut, then take names is a char, variable take in char. Name can be on long or largest than 255 characters. Then store taken name is a long length of stake in 255 characters. Then taken in Visual Basic length. The Visual Basic then take length. Basically, it's a some types of words, received words. Make then a variable name descriptive of this, take to make a code to the Visual Basic, it's a position of value, then taken any programs also is a prefix in this variable name to indicate the types of data storage, usually convenient variable in this data types, then taken values. So variable types, prefix or example. So this is a given example. String is a S is the first name. Variable types, prefix, example. A string, it's a S it's a string, S is a first name. Integer, it's a N means a integer, N is age we have to take numbers, it's a age, it's a number. Long integer, it's a in I is a population, so long integer, it's a population. Single floating points, it's a F is a average of grading points value. Single floating points, it's a F. Prefix, it's a fx. Example, F is a average grading point floating points value. Double, D prefix is a D is a throw ratio. Double, it's a throw the ratio. Currency, it's a C, prefix it's a C is a pay rate. Booleans, it's a prefix, it's a B textable, it's a booleans means textables are true or false. For an integer, is a prefix is a N is used to used the more above. I is a prefix, it's an integer, long integers used to present is indications of given this value. Types of variables, this is called as a take a variable declarations, So the given of value and store and length of size, and every variable has a name type and size and values. Name, every variable has a name comma type comma size and values. A value placed in a memory allocate replace the value previously store them. Then value of storage in memory allocation, then store in this value particular place, this variable type. When a value is a read from a memory allocation, the value is a store in this given variable values. Particular allocate of the memory variable taken values store in this value. For example, dim num as a integer. So this is a given value of example, dim integer is a value. Then take for example, then take. So this is the dimensions. So dimensions is a dim. It's a take numbers and give the numbers. Num is a variable. Variable data take storage value, and num is a data take values storage values. And next as a integer. Integer is a number. Then we have to take any numbers. We have to take any numbers. Then store is a num. And take only number is an integer 0 to 9, 0 to 9. It's a num is a number. Then value of given, it's a store in a given example. Example, this example. Rules of declarations in variable. A variable name must start with a alphabetics. Keywords cannot be used for variable. Maximum length of variable name is a 255. Variable can contain a letters, comma, numbers or unscored or no space symbols or includes. Variable names are declared by the using in keywords dimensions cannot be including the black space. This is the variable name or declarations. The rules of declarations. Variable name must start with alphabetics. Character then take only alphabetics. Keywords cannot be used in for the variable. Keywords cannot be used in for variables. Maximum length of variable name is 255. Variable can contain letters, unders and unscores, underscores. Then take underscores. Variable can contain letters, numbers and underscore. No space, no special symbols or includes. Special symbols or include. Variable names are declared by using a keywords. Keywords, it's a variable names are declared by using a keywords. Keywords is a dimension. Cannot be including the blank space. This is called as a variable. Data types in Visual Basic. 8 types in the Visual Basic: booleans, integer, long, integer, single, double, currency, date, object, string, variables. Variables also. Variable is allocations in the memory or store in these values. Every variable has a name, comma, types, comma, size and values. A value placed in memory allocation replace the value previously stored in there. When a value is a read from a memory allocate, the value of store on defines. For example, then take this is the value of storage. Example, dem num as a integer, and num is a locations of storage device, integer it's a number, then there will be a take this is the value. Rules of declarations is a variable name must start with a alphabetics. A keyword cannot use for a variable. Maximum length of variables names is a 255. A variable can contains letters, numbers or underscores. No special symbols or includes. Variable names are declared by using a keywords dimension. Cannot be including the blank space. This is the Visual Basic data types or variable. Next will be continue next class.